We have an American Flyer S-Gauge 915 unloading car, and got this at the York pre-show up at the Wyndham Hotel parking lot. Couldn't refuse the deal on it. The guy said he'd give it to me for free, so get a little action out of it. I get the feeling that we got some lubrication as well as corrosion removal, and maybe a little cleaning will get this thing spring back. Nothing seems broken, it's just had a lot of neglect over the years, I suppose. Wiring looks good, and I think we just clean the wheels and do a little lubrication and see how it works. Okay, the surfaces between the black painted chalk and the red ramp are a little bit snug, so we'll squeeze that to get a little bit more clearance and maybe lubricate and clean it. Also drop on that cotter pin, which is likely to get replaced with a clean new one. And as you can see, the rivet, we'll put a little lubrication on the rivet. There's some washers underneath that and act as bearings, and we'll put a little lubrication on that as well.